Your limitation is your imagination. I am Ritu Singh, your science teacher, and today we will revise our chapter 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so let's start. First we'll know about acids. What are acids? Acids are those substances which taste sour like lemon, curd and vinegar. Very good. So these all substances which taste sour are known as acids, right? Next is bases. What are bases? Those substances which taste like soap, okay, or which taste bitter and those give a soapy feel are called bases, okay, like sodium hydroxide. Next is salts. What are salts? Those substances which are neither acidic nor basic, those substances are called salts. Okay, next is indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are those substances which tell us about that the substance is acidic or basic, or we can check those substances by using these indicators, or we can know about that this substance is acidic or this substance is basic, like litmus paper. We can use litmus paper to test that the substance which we have is acidic or basic, right? What is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is that reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to make a substance which is neutral, neither acidic nor basic, right? Or we can say to make salt and water, right? Which we have studied before. This reaction. So the product of this reaction is NaCl plus H2O. Here, this substance is basic and this substance is acidic. And the product of this reaction is this, which is salt. Right? NaCl, sodium chloride, which is a salt. Right? And H2O, which is water. Okay? So this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Okay? Moving on. Next is physical changes. What are physical changes? Physical changes are those changes in which we can change physical properties of a substance, like size and shape. Like I can break this chalk into pieces. Okay? So I have changed its physical properties, but I haven't changed its chemical properties. So such changes are known as physical changes, in which we can change physical properties of a substance. What are chemical changes? Chemical changes are those changes in which more than one substances take part and they make a new substance. Okay, and we cannot get that beginning substance or that substance which we used in that reaction back. Okay, so this type of changes are known as chemical changes, like curdling of milk. We can convert milk into curd, but we cannot get that milk back from that curd. So that's why that change is known as chemical change. Next is weather. What is weather? The day-to-day condition of atmosphere at a place with respect to rainfall, humidity, heat, sun is known as weather. Okay, like अभी बारिश हो रही है, थोड़ी देर में सूरज निकलने लगा. So this is known as weather. What is climate? The average weather pattern taken a long time in a particular area, say 25 years, is known as the climate of that area. Like if we talk about northern plains, then climate of northern plain is extreme, right? And if we talk about the climate of Himalayas, then the climate of Himalayas is very cold, right? So this is a climatic condition or climate, right? Next is adaptation. What is adaptation? God has made us, and God has made us according to that area where we live. Like if we are living in this areas, so we can live here because we know that here the climate is extreme, so we can wear sweater, we can use umbrella, or we can use cotton clothes to live here, right? But what about animals? Animals cannot adapt according to the environment, right? They cannot wear clothes and they cannot use umbrella. So what for animals? So God has made them according to that particular area. If we talk about polar bears, so polar bears are adaptive to their climate, right? They have fur, they have claws, they have sharp nails, and they have white fur, right? And they have a smelling sense, better smelling sense than us, so that they can smell their prey from very far, right? So these are some adaptive features of those animals living in some areas, particular areas, okay? So these are called adaptations, okay students? So this is for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.